We are live. What's going on, everybody? Hey, happy Wednesday. Let's do some day trading. What's going on? For those of you that are brand new, my name is Jeff. Welcome to the channel. I day trade live on this channel every day, pretty much. Now, I've been trading for 18 years. I'm a published author, been trading for 18 years, been in the financial industry for 29. I started day trading the futures about 5 years ago, the S&P 500. This year, I'm trying something brand new day trading. The Nasdaq, Sierra charts, and these Eurinco, completely different. Okay, we're doing prop firm. We're trading Apex, trying to pass these evaluations, okay? Brand new, y'all know. This has been some crazy stuff, but we're giving it 3 months to try to figure this out. So if you want to day trade brand new, we're starting a brand new system. So let's see what happens. All right, let me let everybody inside the room. Sit back, relax, and let's get to work. Market's down a lot. Nasty. Market took a beating on the CPI. Was doing good. Fucking CPI came back 0.43. Forecasted 0.3. Market didn't like it. Everything's getting crushed. Everything is taking a beating. What's up, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
Man,
Good morning, John.
Hey,
Jeff.
what's happening? What's
Jeff.
happening?
Hey, guys. How are we doing this morning?
Everything was looking pretty good until I guess this CPI crap came out.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, what the heck? What's gone wrong with my screen? I got this big old red line on there.
Man, it was green this morning last I looked. Shit. Oh, well, right? Having to clean up everybody else's mess. So,
yeah.
What can you do, right? What can you do?
We're going to have to ride through it, but the outcome will be great.
Yeah, I agree with that. 100%. Hey, so you won't be able to be in the afternoon, or maybe just kind of every once in a while.
It's going to be kind of hit and miss, Jeff. I got a big project that got assigned to me to help out in engineering for a big statewide system in Arizona. And anyway, I'm not traveling, but I've got some real major stuff I got to get done here in the next little bit. So it's going to be ongoing for a while.
All good, brother. Hit and miss. You pop in whenever you can.
But I'm going to give you a heads up too, Jeff. I have a call at 9 o'clock.
Damn, man. You guys, what's up with y'all banning that? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
My day job.
Damn. Let's go.
We got to get profitable here. So
I know. Hey, trust me. I think about this every day.
Actually, I watched an online video last night, and they were talking about the first pullback when it's running.
Yeah.
And they were actually setting the entry at 3 ticks up to make sure it starts to run either up or down. 3 ticks. When that candle closes, they actually enter on the next candle close.
Oh, really?
So that way, and I went back and looked at them, and most of the time when that happens, it runs at least a few bars. So
you're talking about like, okay, so after it pulls back and closes, then what? What are you talking about?
What they said was it's better if the pullback is within the first few candles, because that's sellers getting shut down and the buyers coming in and taking over. But what he said was that orange candle, what he would do then is place his entry order at 3 ticks above the close of the next candle up. So you just had your pointer on the orange one,
right?
Orange bar in the middle. Go to the next candle. That's 3 ticks above the close of the orange candle. So, or if it's going down, 3 ticks down. So you're letting the trend continue. They stomped on the sellers and they brought it back up, and now there's momentum going up. But he waited until the close of the next bar to make sure it started to move in his direction.
Interesting.
So it's just something to look at, something to add to the...
Well, I got something else I'm going to add today too, which is good. So I was thinking a lot about these wick trades. I'm going to be trying something today. You know, it kind of goes by the lines of what y'all been talking about. And I know Brandon's been talking about it. So we'll hit it up. And again, I'm still, you know, I just really want to nail down these rules, man. I'm with you, man. We gotta be profitable. And unfortunately, anytime you start something new, there's bumps and bruises, but we'll get it. You know, I've been trading for a long time. And I always will figure it out. And again, the good news is we're all putting our heads together. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes, by the way. Let like even Charles said, let it kind of shake out a little bit. Put our heads together, which we're doing. And again, it's
good stuff though, John.
Yeah, that is good stuff, John. All right. What's up, Brandon? Big Brandon.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, brother. Hey, brother. S&P down 65. Nasdaq 245. Dow Jones taking a whooping. CPI, we talked about it. I mean, we have Fed chair. I guess he's going to be testifying again. But, hey, it is what it is. I am going to let it shake out. I don't think I'm quick enough with this system to jump in. But I am going to get rid of my divergence trade. There's logic behind it. So I'm going to get rid of that one. And when things are calm in the afternoon, as you know, doesn't seem to move too much. We'll do a lot more talking. Right now, we ain't got too much time, right? Things move quick. So we'll see what happens. Good luck. And let's make today productive. Again, yesterday I messed up on my signals a couple times because it's brand new and I accidentally broke my rule like twice. I didn't mean to. Just did. All right. Give me 5 minutes. Let this thing kind of shake out. It's just kind of popping around. I think I'm in sync. Nasdaq 211, 210. We do have this green swing low, right? See what we got, man. I just want to get consistent in this crap, man. That's all I want to do is get consistent. $300 to $500 a day, man. I'm okay with that. So I want to copy trade, but let me tell you something, man. Before that happens, I really got to figure it out. Look at this nasty candle right over here. Jesus, dude. Nasty. All right. And just kind of letting it do its thing. I'm going to, like I said, I'm getting rid of my divergence trade. I thought about it a lot, and it's, you know, I don't really want to do any counter trend anymore. I'm just going to stay with whatever my bias is, I'm going to stay with. And I'm going to try to bust it hard. I really want to do the wick trade, and I am going to do the wick trade today. I am. And I'm going to be utilizing kind of what we've been talking about. I know Brandon mentioned it. We've been talking about it, but I'm going to utilize it today. So we'll see what happens. All right. Let me... Hey, good morning, brother. Didn't even see you there. Good morning, Jake. Market's getting beaten, right? Market's taking a beat now. We do have that green swing low. We're at S2, so we could pop and go up to this S1, 21,700. We'll see. Got about 40 seconds, and then I think I'll be ready to go. Just kind of remembering the signals I got in my head here. All right. You can see over here, the slow MACD, we're starting to twitch. So we could cross. Now, if we cross, it's going to confirm that low. It's going to cause me to kind of work my way up. I know we're getting pounded. Pounded. I'm in no hurry to jump in. I really want to get consistent. Getting working off that swing low. Like, you remember that character? What was that guy's name? Raging Bull. What was his name? Bond. I think James Bond or Jason Bond. Remember that character? You talking about a fish hook. Oh shit, look at that fish hook. I remember that. Fucking fish hook, dude. That's so funny. Again, I'm in no hurry. I got 3 strategies I'm going to be focusing on today. Right now, we're red. So I'm still biased down, but if we shift green over here, I'm going to wait. My bias is going to be pretty clear, right? It's going to be the direction of these two. I'm comfortable with that. That's an easy mechanical way for me to do it. Okay, so I'm biased down. Oh, I got rid of my target. What the hell did I do? Yeah, that one didn't fucking work. That's that trade where oh, I messed up. No, I didn't mess up. No, I didn't mess up. Thinking I got so many strategies in my freaking head. Yeah. All right. I don't know what just happened. So we're working up, no bias. We kind of go back and see some. Yeah. All right. I'm just sitting here right now. Really want to work on that runner today as well. I still believe, man, that a runner is going to be so important. Kind of just chopping around right now. S2. Just going to be patient. What's going on, Mitch? Good morning, Mitch. What's happening, brother? We're just cruising on up right now. That sweet 70. A lot of key levels, so. And that nice diamond, right? News in 20 minutes? Oh, I think it's Powell, right? Yeah, I mean, he's going to be testifying all day, so we'll see, right, how it affects it. But, yeah. All right, brother. We got a yellow swing. How the hell did we get 2 yellow swings? Oh, because we had a green swing here. Higher high, but right here I'm just kind of watching right now. I'm still a little bit undecided. It's kind of just could sit around right here for a minute. Dow Jones down 480. Still kind of iffy right this second. Kind of just. We got plenty of opportunity. You know what? We are circling right here. This thing's every 10 minutes. Guess I just need to be patient, right? I'm not going to wait 8 minutes, man. Time this some bitch crosses. We're down here at this 10. We got a yellow swing high. It's working its way up to S1. You know what? We curled up here. I'm going to take a key level break if we get it. Because this one's too slow. I might use my bias as this fast one. All right, so I'm going to do a key level break if we get it. Well, takes that out of the question. There we go. Holy crap. Got the golden fib right there. Yeah, we might blow through all these fibs. I ain't going to mess around. So coming into this fib and this 55. I just want to be consistent. Working our way up to S1. Hopefully it moves in the afternoon as well, man. Last couple of days in the afternoon have been so slow. All right, so we're definitely cruising now. I mean, this just could come up here to S1 and roll over. Plenty of opportunity. Plenty of opportunity today. Bounce right off that 10, right? Making our way back up to this 30. Again, we got to get through S1 or this could just roll over, right? We got that swing high. It's a tricky spot. I hope so. Yesterday, I thought we would have had a movement all day as well, but man, that afternoon was so slow. So slow. Just kind of pulling back hard. Dow Jones is still down over 400. S&P still down 45. Come on. I'm going to look to do this. Fuck. I know we haven't crossed yet, but man, to be honest with you, by the time we cross, it's going to be already up so high. I might just use my bias as this fast one, man. Because, I mean, it's every 10 minutes. I can't be waiting 10 minutes for that to cross. So I'm going to be looking to do a key level break if we get it. I want to see it go above that key level. And then sell off. I mean, it did go above that key level. And the candle closed above it. So I'm going to do it right there. We went above that key level. We're selling off. So I'm going to be utilizing this as a key level break. If it happens. Went above it. Above it. Selling off. This will be a nice key level break. I might just use this fast one, man. This takes too long. 10 minutes is just too fucking long, dude. Wow, that's a nasty pullback, right? Look. All right, just erase it. So we're higher low on a 55, but it's a no man's land. Man, higher low on 55. It's bouncing around. We crossed, so I'm definitely biased up right this second. We're at midline 50. Damn, that's hard pullback. Whoa. Glad I didn't jump in that one. Jeez. Little inverted V. Yellow swing at S1. It's kind of undecided here right this second. News is coming up. I mean, again, Powell's going to be testifying. I don't know if it's going to have an immediate effect. I don't know. We'll find out. I mean, if it starts going crazy, we'll back off. But so we got us a little double top up there, making another run. Well, you know, Tao. Powell is testifying at 9. So, but that's probably going to be ongoing. Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's see if we can. Wow, here we go. Damn it. Shot past that key level. Kind of took some people out in that range. I'm not going to chase. I do have a strategy to get me in the trade today, though. If it happens, I need to catch a runner, man. I need to catch a runner. See if we can pull back. We got ML50. I love to see a pullback into that area for sure. That would be a classic setup. Love to see a pullback. Just crossing. This could be the time. We got a lot of fibs, though, so we're okay. We got a lot of opportunities. Dasher boom. Just dancing around. Trying to figure out what the suckers are doing. Wow, that sumbitch is dancing, isn't it? We got a divergence at a swing high. So I want to take this trade, but damn it. Well, technically, it's not really a divergence if you go by that last swing. All right. If you go by these two humps, it is. But if you take these little things, it's not really a divergence. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. And put my target right there. Put this next target right here. Kind of is what it is, you know. Well, that didn't fucking work. Maybe that shit was a divergence. I'm going to give it another shot. Well, that one didn't fucking work either. Well, that's not working, that price action. Well, that shit didn't work twice. That was awful. We're still at that key level, man, but watch it go up now. Rebecca said it had to work, though. She told me it had to work. Give it another fucking shot. Rebecca told me that it had to work, man. I gotta make some notes. Wow. This price action trade's getting destroyed. I may not be doing these trades anymore. I might be passing on these price action trades. They don't seem to be very good. Well, that absolutely sucked. Say goodnight, price action trade. I am done with you. That trade was terrible. Terrible. Look at that. Awful. Awful. Watch this one go up. I'm not messing around with that one. Oh, man, it was a good trade. Rebecca told me that it had to hold. She's lying. It didn't hold shit. The trade didn't hold nothing. It was an awful, awful trade. Kind of stalled out here. I want to make a little note real quick. Wow. Just kind of watching it here. Yeah. Son of a bitch. Yeah. You know what? I'm beginning to think that trade. You know, and I was thinking about it last night too, man. To only take those higher lows and lower highs after a swing, like that's it. I got killed on those price action trade. 4 losses in a row. It's the only trade I've taken is the price action. Got killed on all of them. I'm with you, man. I don't know, man. I might just scratch that price action. She's full of crap, man. She's full of crap. She would say that this is separated, so this had to go down. She is full of crap. Yep, you're right. You are absolutely right, bro. Again, that's why I'm testing it out to decide what I want, what I don't like. And I'm that was awful right here. Awful. You win a few, you get freaking sucked into false sense of security, and then you lose 5 in a row. Yep, you're right. Awful. Awful trade. This bias has got me all screwed up too, because it says we're bias up. So I might not, I don't know if I'm going to use that anymore. I mean, this is really, yeah, it's very confusing. So I'm going to scratch it. I'm going to trade to the downside right now. We're underneath the 55. I'm trading to the downside. I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm going to be focusing on the downside. I'm not going to sit here with that thing confusing the crap out of me. I'm no way am I going to mess with that. I'm going to try something. This bias is confusing. So I'm just going to play it like we talked about yesterday. I'm going to play key level breaks regardless. And I'm going to do that trade that we were talking about. So I'm going to scratch. I'm going to scratch the price action right now. And I'm going to shift gears to focus on the key level break and that 55 trade we were talking about. This is too confusing. Man, it's really confusing with that bias. So confusing. I'm just going to play good old key level breaks in that trade we were talking about. Good old key level breaks. Right? We broke through to 70. We're pulling up hard. That's what I'm going to do. Every trade that I've taken on price action, 100% of them has lost. All of them. Bias is so confusing today. Boom, I hit that target. Fucking key level break, man. That trade's the best. All right, so I'm out. I won that one. Yeah, I get you, brother. I nailed that trade. Nailed it. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. No, I'm not doing this price action trade. Scratch that sumbitch. Scratch that son of a bitch. Beautiful trade right there. Yeah. No more of that price action. She made it sound like it can't lose. It's impossible. It can lose. You better believe it can lose. Look at that. See, it's just too unreliable. The thing is, it works, and then it doesn't, and then it works, and then it doesn't. It's way, way too unreliable. I would rather scratch it and focus on what we talked about yesterday, key levels and this MDX trade, MD or whatever, MDX 55 trade, we call it. Because I'm just, look at that. I'm just not comfortable with that price action. That has let me down all day today. You know, maybe that first higher low after swing, you know, because that's what they say. So maybe the very first lower high or higher low after a swing, or maybe the first two, and that's it. That's it. So maybe I'll give it a shot, but only in that very unique situation. And after that, scratch it. And that's what she said anyway. So the problem with this is you had a yellow swing, but it went too far, right? So I think that's what I'll do. Is that's the only time I'm going to even accept. So right now, it's already come and gone. It's already come and gone. So basically, it's going to be that very unique situation. Like she said, first two higher lows, first two lower highs, if it's exactly perfect. Other than that, forget it. Okay, so now we're working our way back down. Basically, we got a divergence going on. I'm not trading it, but we got a divergence. I'm watching all these key levels. We got SS70, golden fib. You know, my order was supposed to move to break even on that last one. I don't know why it didn't move to break even last time. So like right now, we got a swing low. Maybe if everything's perfect, I'll look to take the first two after the swing low. If it's perfect. That'll be the only time. So I'll give it a shot because it's an evaluation account and I'm still practicing. But that's it. I think that's the only situation. So if we can pull back in a higher low and everything is picture perfect, I'll try it after this swing low. Second higher low, forget it. I'm done with. I'll be done. That's the only situations. Right now. Right, S2, swing low, RL80. All right. No price action trade right there for me. You better believe it. No, no, no. Remember we talked about yesterday, price Jason needs to be above it in a pull back. So this is not that scenario. Even though this might work, I don't want no part of it. So we did cross, but again, when that cross happens, I want price to come up and then pull back and then go. Not right here. Now it might actually roll over.
What did I miss? Did you pass two evals?
Yeah, I passed 3 150K evals.
Good job.
After, yeah, exactly. After I made 5,000 on my PA. Like I made 5,000 on my PA that I got yesterday because yesterday I traded and made like 10,000. Got my PA, made 5,000, and then today I've already passed 3, about to be 4 150Ks. And I'm not going to tell. I'm not going to tell you how I did it. I'm going to give you a bunch of riddles. I'm going to give you a bunch of riddles, and it's going to confuse you. Be prepared to get confused, because I'm going to be good at trying to confuse y'all today with my riddles. Yeah, right. All right. Let's see here. All right. So I'm focusing on my key level breaks, and I'm going to be trying this. We do have a swing low, so I'm willing to give it a shot only in this situation. If it's perfect, the first two lower highs, or not, maybe not the first lower high, but the second lower high. Again, I'm drawing at fucking straws here, right? I'm drawing at straws. So we are above the 200. I might use that 200, Jason, the same way we talked about that 55. Not now. That bitch is gone. So I will look to take this higher low because it's after the yellow swing. I'm only willing to take 2. That's it. Period. No more. It's only 2 higher lows after a yellow swing or a blue swing. Other than that, I don't want it no more. I don't like it. Hate it, actually. All right, so let's see how we react to this key level. See if we can pull back. Give us a nice, strong reaction off this level. Okay, I like it. Okay. Not very strong of a pullback, but it is a pullback. Okay, bam, there we go. Okay, good. Just I'm leaving my stop alone. And there is a key level up here at ML50. So far, that price action trade has sent me to the woodshed. At least if I lose on this trade, it's a trade that I seem to like this trade the most. So far. I got to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Still dancing around. What we got? What's the market doing? Dow Jones down 406. All right. Bam! Woo! That trade is money in the bank, baby. That trade is money in the bank. 2 for 2 on the key levels. I'm leaving that alone. I'm going to take it up to the next key level. There's no in between. No in between. Not anymore. It's key level or nothing. Nicely done. That's, you know what, bro? I need the win. I'm going flat. I need the win. I'm going flat. I need the win. I know it's going to go up there, but I need the win, baby. Yes. Well done. That trade was 200. I just went flat, Jay. It was close to the key level. After those price action destructions, I needed it, but more than likely that's exactly where it's going to go. So nothing wrong with that. That trade was money. You know what, dude? That trade seems to be the best for sure. Bam, there you go. It got it no matter what. Good job. Good job, man. All right, let's see how we act right here. Okay, so I want to see us close. I know we closed above it. If we sell off hard, I'm going to do it again. I know we're way up here, but at the end of the day, I'm going to do it again. We closed above it. We're selling off. I'm going to do it again. This one's way up here, but I mean, fuck it. It is what it is, right? We traded above it. We closed above it. We're selling off. And it is what it is. Bam, I'm in it again. Bam! You know what? Let's get one more push. I got a little bit. You know what? Let me just play the rule. Let me just play the rule. I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. Leave it where it's at. I wanted to move it. I needed the win, and I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. You know what? You're right. Just leave it where it's at. Leave it where it's at. Come on, baby. One big push, baby. Yeah! Woohoo! Another win on that key level. What the fuck? That key level trade has saved my butt today. Man, you talking about money in the bank, bro. That key level, I think it's like 4 for 4. Now I'm just going to leave it alone. Is what it is, right? All right. There we go, baby. And I need a, you know what? I know it's early, Jason. I'm sorry, man. I got to take the win. I got to take the win. I didn't let it go. I'm taking the win just because of those early losses, man. My target was 382, but I fought my way all the way back after those 4 whoop downs. I'm glad I took it. Wow. I fought my way all the way back. That's crazy. I was down like 400 and something. And again, it worked. And again, it still might go up. If you left your target there, you're still down there. I mean, I just jumped out because as it gets close, but you know what? It still might go up. This is still above my break even. I mean, it might just take a while, but my break even was like right here. So if this goes up and hits that, you still got it. So that's good to know. It might do a pullback before it goes up. You know what I'm saying? So if this goes up and hits that target, look at that. It's still going to hit the target. It still hit it. Oh my God. If you stayed in that trade, it still hit the target. That was, God damn it, stop it. That was good to know, man. Right there. So that, even though it pulled back, still would have hit the target. Good job. Well done. So it had that hiccup, and it still went to the target. That's very good to know. I just got beat up so early on this price action shit that I'm like, it's kind of delirious. But it hit the target. Jason, did you stay with that and have it hit your target? That was wild. I mean, I wanted to take that first higher low after the swing, but come on, dude. That's too far. Beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, how come these higher lows work? You know, let me think about this. There's no key level, but look at this 55. It's going straight up. Let's see if this one works. If not, we'll see. Let's see if that works. There's no key level, but this higher low, that one didn't work. See? This one worked, and then, hey, Rebecca, why didn't this one work? Oh, Jeff, the MACD was wide. Shut the fuck up. All right, so here's the deal. We have the 55, but it's still angled straight up. That one failed. So she would have said, oh, well, this high or low high or low, perfect. And you're like, well, what about this one? It looks the same. Oh, no. It's not the same. It's not the same, Jeff. The fuck you talking about? It's not the same.
You just need to get your entries right.
Exactly. And you're like, well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Right here, like, damn it, he's drawing items. Right here look the same as that. How come this one failed and this one? Oh, Jeff, they're separated. Right, Patrick? See, that's the problem. This entry is identical to that entry. Identical. They were both separated at the time. But yet, looking back, oh, it's clear. It's clear. This one doesn't have an HL. Oh, but this one had an HL in real time. No, that's why it's like, there's no hope for that. We're doing good. I fought my way all the way back, dude. That's great. I was down 4. I lost the first 4 price action trades in a row. Sit me down 452. Fought all the way back. That is awesome. All right, so we are approaching another key level. Let's see how we react. I like it, though. Wow. Now we're working our way down. Coming into MF50. Nasty move. Nasty move there. Nasty move. Right, right, Dr. Shaw? Right, Dr. Shaw? So we got a red swing. Where's the finale? Gamini. Where's the finale? Come on, Gamini. Shit. But that was a wild session. So I did get destroyed on the price action setup. Destroyed. I mean, it was awful. It was awful. That trade might just be too hard. I don't know. Exactly. She would go, I went short. Or she'd be like, I'm going short at that level. Boop. Okay, it's at the level. Oh, look, it went up. Ta-da, 250. What? You just said you were going short. Jeff, you got to read the clues. Oh, shit. Well, that was a venturous. I'm not quite done, but that was venturous. But, Jeff, you didn't read the clues, Jeff. Crystal clear. I went short. No, look, it went up. Ta-da, 250. This was a wild morning. I'm not going to lie. After 4 early defeats, I took 4 losses in a row, 4 wins in a row. Isn't that crazy? So if you took the price action key level, you won on all of them because they did not have 1 loss. Ta-da. 250. Jeff, this is one of my signature trades off the 200. Oh, it is? Yes. It's my signature trade. Okay. All right, so we got a star on a 6. Only for advanced traders in the VIP room will you learn it. Only for advanced. If you're not advanced, I'm sorry, but it's not for you. Yellow swing at 55. Go for it. And then watch this. It's going to go up. Ta-da! Wait. You just said go for it, yellow swing. No, Jeff, you got to get your entry correct. But the 55 is sloping down and it's red. Jeff, I'm tired of your nonsense. You and Jason can leave the room immediately. And I want to take this trade
Go to the principal's office.
Yeah, exactly. Can somebody tell me how this trade actually works? Because every time I take it, it loses. And when I don't, it wins. I would like to know when that price action trade actually works and when it doesn't.
Could you just tell us when you're not taking it?
Okay, I'm not taking it. Watch it go down. I'm not taking it. Yellow high, lower high, after a red swing, down sloping 55. I'm not going to take it. You watch it go down, dude. If I take it, it's going up. I got to figure that there's got to be something to this. Maybe it's just not meant in the card for me to take a price action trade. This was interesting, by the way. What a crazy morning. After this candle, there's one thing I'm looking for, and I might go long and then do options, but I'm just watching it right now because I did not take it, which means it's going to go down hard. Oh, shit! I would have lost again. Wow. I'm not classifying this yet. I want to see it close above it. Like pretty good. Okay. We're above it now. I'll take it now. So after this trade, I'm going to do options. We're at OD 30. We're at key level break. I'm going to target Dasher Boom. And then B23. Okay. If this rolls over, I got another idea. If we roll down, I got an idea. I'm going to try something, and then I'm going to do options, but this is it. Win, lose, or draw, this will be my last trade for the morning. My buy stop order's way up there. Chopsticks! If we go down, I'm closing this order. Y'all aren't going to believe this. I just hit that target. Wow, I'll tell you what I did here in a second. I did all sorts of shit. I just nailed a target, by the way. Bam! There we go. I'm targeting a little bit under dasher boom, okay? I'm going to tell you what I did in a second. This could be the comeback of all ages. But I'm not going to say nothing. Let's just wait. I'm targeting dash right under dasher boom. After this trade, I'm going to go into options, no matter what. MACD separated. I'm targeting underneath dasher boom. And I don't even know what that is. What the fuck is that? I don't even know what orders I got going on right now. We'll see in a minute. Only for advanced traders in the VIP room is this possible. Attaboy! I'm going to take it. Bam! All right. So now, check this out. I don't even know what orders I got, by the way. Oh, man. I'm killing it all of a sudden. I'm going to go flat. I just made 300 on that trade. 300! Woo! I'm out. Flat. Let me tell you, my second target was up here, but I got out and I sold it all. Let me tell you really quickly, Jason, this is what we talked about yesterday. We had the cross. I had an order here. We broke through the 55. I caught it on the way back up. Oh my God, it's still working. Woo! Damn it! I would have made that would have made me like 400. Bam! You're out no matter what, dude. Holy shit, that might have made me like $400 or $500. Anyway, that was the MDX 55 trade after a cross. Bam! Out, baby. Man, I would have made a lot more, but I fought my way back, and I'm gonna lock it. Bam! All right, trading is locked. Locked. I'm done for the morning. Well done. Fought my way all the way back. Mitch, take it easy, my brother. We'll see you back here tomorrow unless you join the room. Y'all, peace out.